All right, what's up? In today's session of whatever this thing is called, we're going to talk about how to come up with some amazing content that is going to blow your clients' minds because it's the questions that they are asking. So if you answer the questions that are on their mind, hopefully they will feel more comfortable coming to you, and therefore they will spend their dinero with you, and you make more money, and you'll be like, thank you, Wick. And that's what we're going to work on today. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Wick. Shut up. The reason I do this is because according to statistics, the average esthetician is making approximately $30,000 to $35,000 a year. And to me, that is a travesty because you are amazing. You deserve better. You have dreams and goals and aspirations. And my goal is to help you with your goal. So let's get to it. All right. People are always asking me, how can I get more? Wick. Social media. What do I talk about? What do I say? What do I post? How can I do more social media? Yo, there's this old thing called kiss. Yo language fact of the day, beso is Spanish for kiss. So next time, there's your word of the day. Go. Hey, girl, mwah, beso instead of kiss, and you're learning something new. But keep it simple, stupid loco. Keep it simple. And one of the things, and Gary Vee talks about it all the time, especially you as a beautiful, bold beauty boss esthetician. What you can do, they go, don't create, document. What does that mean? That means, hey, you're doing a facial. Video the facial, right? Make sure it's cool with the client and all that stuff. To say, hey, can I make sure to do this because we're gonna give you such an amazing experience. Other people deserve to know how great it is. But it's not just about your clients, yo. It's not just that. When you're washing your face, when you are sharing your product, right? You're like, oh, this is the cleanser that I use. Do whatever. Let me show you the proper way to cleanse. So you're cleansing anyways. Just put the freaking thing on. So just document. You're cleaning up your area. Go, hey, let me show you the behind the scenes of how beautiful and extravagant it is to be a business owner. And you're just picking up clothes and towels and folding laundry. Again, these videos do not have to be long. They're short, they're sweet, they're funny. But more importantly, it'll connect with other small business owners. So if you're a small business owner, which you are, or you're going to be, or you're in between there somewhere, and you're like, hey, you're doing this, other small business owners will connect with you because that's what happens. It happens. They have all this stuff to do behind the scenes. So you do that. I'm going to share with you. So again, you don't have to always create content. Just document what you're doing. Literally, if you just turn this mofo on and you just did what you normally do, you would be golden. Just do what you do. You literally have to do nothing else. And then just edit, just make it short, do a time lapse, whatever it is, right? Again, just keep it interesting. There are documentaries out there. There is a whole industry on documentaries. You can be like ice fishing documentary. What's it doing? It's videotaping a full. I throw this fish over there. This line went over there, and I'm sitting here patiently. Because last time that devious bass outbassed me. Nobody outbasses me. Let me tell you, I'm going to catch that bass. Let me get it. And there's fly fishing. There's ice truck drivers. There's, just a whole thing of just documentaries where they're just chilling, watching the person do that. You know how awesome and cool it is would be? You can have your own TV show. Literally. And that's just amazing that you can just turn on the camera. But please, do not be boring. Like again, don't do that and be boring. Don't put on 20-minute videos. Like, hi, today I'm watching this. Let me do this. Make it short, make it sweet. There's TikTok videos that are literally 8 to 10 to 15 seconds. You don't need the whole thing, but just a little quickie, quick Come on, get it out of the gut. I'm talking about video quickie. No, it wasn't. Anyways, so you do that, right? Another tool I'm going to share with you is this website. It's called Answer Socrates.com. Socrates is that smart dude, right? If I can move my big head. So you know what? I'm going to put my big head over his big head. So boom, you have questions, we have answers. Socrates. So all you do, and literally, you should never be short of content, of ideas, of topics to talk about. So for example, here, the topic I put in here is acne, right? Boom, got acne. And I'm in the US, the USA, English, why not? And this is the magic of the interneta. So people also ask, how do you clear up acne? Is there a difference between acne and pimples? What causes acne? What does acne do to your skin, right? Blah, blah, blah. So anyways, I'm telling you, business and life is about repetition. And what that means is, as I'm working out more, right? If I just work out once a month, am I going to get the yolks that I desire? Probably not. Just saying. Unless I put the juice loose. But, Wick don't play that. Wick's all natural. Organic. Don't panic, I'm organic. Don't panic, I'm organic. And so, you got to be consistent. And sometimes I hear estheticians say, Wick, but if I post too much, won't they get bored? Or Wick, if I post too much, won't it? Dude, bore them. Bore them to death. Because at least they'll freaking know what it is that you do and that you can help them. It's one of those things that it's rememberable. People need to remember you. You need to have that tagline that you say again and again. I'm loving it. Do you think McDonald's ever says, hey, maybe we should change our message up a long time, or we need alternative? No, they have one message, boom, repeat, boom, repeat, boom, repeat. They'll have it in Espanol. Yo quiero. That's not it, but whatever, right? So anyways, talk about ish until people become your billboards. Are you with me? Like until people can repeat what you do, that you are the acne expert, that you know how to cure acne, that you know how to treat acne, that you know how can help acne. And how are they going to know? Because you talk about it. Here is 128 questions. Freaking start from one, girl. One. This is I need to get a grill. Like get a gug. Make them go. No, let's just say. Are acne scars permanent? Are acne patches good? Are acne and pimples the same? Are acne scars hyperpigmentation? Can I remove acne scars? Can acne scars go away? Can acne itch? Boom. There is. You don't have to be fancy, girl. Go, can I remove acne scars? I get this question asked all the time. Let me share with you what the process is. Can acne scars be removed and how to do it? That's what we're going to cover today. I have 3 quick tips for you. Let's go. Boom. That's it. Don't be like, and again, it's my pet peeve. I say it all the time. I'm going to start calling estheticians out if I see a video that goes, hi, I'm here to hop on real quick. And I'm sorry I wasn't here a while ago, but I'm here now. And here I am, and I'm here to hop on. Don't say that. No one cares about your name. No one cares about you hopping like freaking Bugs Bunny. No one cares about any of that stuff. All they care about is this. If they have acne scars, all they want to know is, can I remove acne scars? Your name is irrelevant. Don't take it personal from me. Yes, introduce yourself afterwards. Chances are, if they're on your page, they can probably click your name or your business and find out who you are. That is irrelevant. No one cares about you or me or anything except maybe your mama or my mama. My mama cares. She's downstairs making me juice right now. Good mama. Mama, love you. Anyways, so boom. Just talk about this. Can I remove acne scars? Can acne scars go away? Can acne be a sign of pregnancy? Ooh, interesting. Can it? I don't know. How acne patches work? How? So Socrates is all about, how, should I, what, when, and when acne itches, when acne stops, should I stop using products? No, dodo, right? So this is such a good website. I'll put it in the thing. Actually, I'm not going to put it in. It messes up my algorithm. AnswerSocrates.com. You just put it in there. You have 128 topics, and boom, nail acne. Make it acne week. There's freaking Shark Week. Make it acne week, right? There you go. You can talk about acne. You can talk about hyperpigmentation. Anything that you want, just put it in there. It's a free site. It's amazing. And just start there. Do not kiss. Beso. What was the word today? Beso. Beso. Maybe some queso and chips. I'm just hungry right now. How do acne patch? So don't start like, hi, I'm sorry I haven't been on this for a while, and I've been meaning to do more videos, so I thought I would hop on. You just wasted, there's a statistic out there that you have 3 seconds if that, to capture someone's attention. If you're talking about hi and hopping and all of this other junk that no one gives 2 F's about, you've squandered 3, and I've heard some of y'all videos, you've squandered like actually 3 minutes, maybe 3 hours just to get to the point. Get to the freaking point faster. How do acne patch? Here, in this video, I'm going to share with you how acne patches work. And if somebody who's interested in acne patches or thinking about acne patches on their mind, they're thinking about it, they got acne, should they need patches? No. Boom, it's going to resonate with them. So you have those things. Hi, forget the hi, forget the hop, forget the, blah, blah. In this video today, I'm going to share about how acne patches work, the science behind them, and if acne patches are right for you. Boom. See, don't make this hard. I think a lot of estheticians, I need to come up with a fancy title. Here's a title. These are all titles. What does acne mean? Acne, if you all wonder, what does acne even mean? Where does the word acne come from? It comes from blah, 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 from this disease or bacteria, right? What acne on your face means. What acne in different areas mean. If you have acne on your elbow, it could mean this. If you have acne on your back, it could mean this, right? Blah, blah, blah. What acne says about your health. Have you ever wondered what acne says about your real health? What's really going on in your body? That's what we're going to cover today in this video. Boom. So keep it simple so you can pop that pimple. Get down to business so you can get this going. I hope this is of value to you. I am here to help. Remember, a couple of things that we covered on this video. 1, make sure you take video. Just document what you're doing. You're doing this, you're doing that, you're cleaning this, you're working on that. Whatever it is, you want to keep that social media page busy. If you look busy, people will be like, ooh, she's busy, and people want to go to someone who's busy. If you look like, if you're posting once a freaking week or every other day or something like that, people are like, okay, not much going on there. So do that, and then use this thing, Answer Socrates, as a simple, easy, effective website where you can just plug in a topic, and now you have all these questions. Don't be like, okay, I'm going to do this and I'm going to write this down. No, pick a freaking topic and just start. Just go. Bam. Come on. I'm here to push you. You might be thinking, man, this guy Wick's being a little bit more aggressive lately. He's being a little bit more of a jerk. He's being this. It's because I care about you. It's because it's I don't even know the right words to say. It's patient. It's pushing with love, like with Bezos. I'll push you. I'm like, fucking go. Miss you. Yes. All right. So get going. You got this. I am here for you. If there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. Let's, teamwork makes the dream work. Get cracking on this. Remember, you don't have to create. Just document what you do. Just have this thing around and be like, bloop, 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 bloop. And then talk about this. You don't need no fancy headsets or a mic. Just be like, hey, today we're going to talk about, acne. And can acne be genetic? Is the reason you have acne? Did your mom have acne? Could it be? Is that the reason? Let's find out. Check it out. Be amazing, because amazing pays oh so